These are 12 foods you should limit or eliminate from your daily diet after turning 50. Plus, we will show you the best diet to eat. Stay tuned. 1. Fried foods. Known for their taste and crunchy texture, but their high calorie and trans fat content make them an unhealthy option. Opting for cooking methods like baking, steaming, or grilling is a much more beneficial alternative for the heart and weight. 2. Processed and ultra-processed foods. Products like frozen pizzas, breaded items, or ready meals contain large amounts of salt, sugar, and saturated fats but very few nutrients. Replacing them with fresh foods is key to a healthy diet. 3. Refined sugars and flours. White bread, pasta, and refined rice lack fiber and quickly raise blood sugar levels. Switching to whole grain versions and increasing legume consumption can improve digestive and metabolic health. 4. Industrial pastries. These foods are full of empty calories and unhealthy fats. Reducing their consumption is essential to avoid issues like obesity and increased triglycerides. 5. Cured meats. Sausages, chorizos, and other cured meats often contain high levels of sodium and saturated fats. Their consumption should be limited as much as possible to prevent cardiovascular problems. Before we continue, check out the link below for a comprehensive guide to foods that can help you plan healthier meals. This resource is like an encyclopedia for nutrition, helping you prevent diseases even before they start. Now, let's continue. 6. Alcoholic beverages. Alcohol should be consumed with extreme moderation as it can affect the liver and increase the risk of other diseases. An occasional drink is fine, but it should not be constant. 7. Excessive salt. Replacing salt with spices like cumin, garlic, or black pepper can add flavor to foods without risking our health. 8. Sugary beverages. Soft drinks and energy drinks can significantly increase sugar intake, contributing to weight gain and increasing the risk of diabetes. 9. Diet sodas. Although marketed as healthier alternatives, diet sodas contain artificial sweeteners linked to weight gain and other health concerns. 10. Raw or undercooked foods. Items like raw eggs, unpasteurized milk, and undercooked meats pose a higher risk of foodborne illnesses, which can be more severe for older adults. 11. Low-fat foods. Many low-fat products compensate for reduced fat with added sugars or carbohydrates, which can be detrimental to health. 12. Multigrain bread. While it may seem healthy, many multigrain breads contain preservatives and added sugars that can contribute to unhealthy calorie intake without significant. Next is, what should you include in your diet? But before that, please like and subscribe to this video. This helps with the algorithm to reach more people just like you. And also comment below what foods you've entirely get rid of. Let's continue. What should you include in your diet? 1. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support bone health and are high in calcium and fiber, which are essential as bone density begins to decline with age. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber. They can help reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease and certain cancers. 3. Oily fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and may reduce the risk of arthritis. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are beneficial for heart health and can help maintain a healthy weight. 5. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports gut health and can aid in muscle maintenance as metabolism slows down. 6. Beans and legumes. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in fiber and protein while having a low glycemic index, making them great for blood sugar management. 7. Olive oil. A staple of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. 8. Avocados. This fruit is rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins K, C, E, B6, and folate. Regular consumption may help lower cholesterol levels and support heart health. 9. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits provide vitamin C and calcium. They can enhance immune function and support skin health as aging progresses. 10. Whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain bread provide essential nutrients and fiber that can help manage weight and improve digestive health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help mitigate age-related health issues while promoting overall wellness as you age. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.